Hi students, sorry I had to end the last video a little early. The dogs are being a little bit noisy, but just to kind of summarize here, Xi Jinping became the president of China in 2012. He has since consolidated his hold in that office, eliminating any term limits, any possibility of ouster short of a military coup. At the same time, his presidency has seen the Chinese economy continue to grow and further to see the expansion of Chinese influence beyond China and around the globe. As this map that shows you sort of Chinese investment around the world, I think demonstrates very clearly. So just to kind of conclude our study of Asian history in this course with a conclusion on the history of the study of China, as we enter the second quarter of the 21st century, China is positioned to remain one of the leading economies in the world. It has reached this position by the adoption of Western economic theories of capitalism and communism. It has maintained or adopted a communist system of government combined with a pretty traditional Chinese practice of a more powerful state that we've seen throughout this history, a more powerful state or imperial government than we've seen in most of the countries around the world. And so this is where China finds itself positioned in the contemporary era, increasingly powerful economically, increasingly authoritarian politically. I hope you enjoyed this class. If I can help you in any way in the future, please don't hesitate to let me know. If I can encourage you to take any more history courses here at Easton, I'm more than happy to do that. So hope to be in touch with all of you at some point soon, but bye-bye for now.